Is that old Visa card still lingering on your Apple ID? Let's get it securely removed in under 90 seconds. First things first, on your iPhone or iPad, tap the Settings app. It's that familiar gear icon. Next, you'll want to tap on your Apple ID banner at the very top, the one with your name and profile picture. Now scroll down and select Payment and Shipping. Here, you'll see your current payment methods. Locate the Visa card you wish to remove and tap Edit in the upper right corner. This will bring up the card details. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen, and you'll find the red Delete button. Tap that. A confirmation prompt will appear. Simply tap Delete again to confirm. And just like that, your Visa card is no longer associated with your Apple ID. This ensures your financial information stays up to date and secure across all your Apple devices. You can repeat these steps for any other cards you need to manage.